Good morning everyone and welcome back to the vlog. In this episode we are going to be moving cars like we always do. We're getting some cars fixed today. I'm getting the wheels of the Spider 458 GT3 painted, so we're going to drop this off. I'm going to pick up the 1963 split window Corvette also, and then Jansen is going to be picking up the GT2 RS because we have a check engine light, and then we're going to meet him right now when we're actually running late. Cold start 458 Spider GT3 Rift exhaust. Totally forgot, my driver went off already at 8 in the morning to load the 997 RWB. I forgot that was the main reason why we're in the car right now, because we are gonna get the 997 RWB finally aligned. Kyle was able to retrofit the front air cups with the old scale air cup kit that we had, so the tractive coilover basically now has a lift kit in front. We didn't get the 2 inches lift that we wanted, so we only got like an inch and a half, which I think is still pretty good. He hasn't plumbed it in, but we're basically going to corner balance the car, align the car. Hopefully the height hasn't changed, because when we added the air cup kit, the whole front end went up, so we actually brought the spring perch back down. Today with the alignment, we're going to determine if the air cup kit is affecting the ride height of the car, and then we're also going to get to put on the new wheels, because Kyle also rebarreled the rear wheels for the label wheels. Hopefully that's going to work. We're going to do maximum camber for the front and the back of the car so that the wheels can basically not rub on the fenders. Later on today I need to order some tire pressure monitoring sensors and then put water in the front washer bottle, because I still have those things, so we can ask Edward to check on them. This car, even though it's so high, the diffuser scrapes everywhere. I wonder how long before we actually break it. Anyway, we're gonna leave this car here and bring out the GT2 RS. Let's do a quick check on the 430. So we had battery problems with this. The car hasn't started since they last worked on it, and if the window goes down, we're good. So it's been how many days? Okay, so this car again had battery issues. Starts up well now. We're gonna let this car warm up and then start up the GT2 RS also. Get some heat into the engine. This car always blows out the mic. Okay, lift kit. Should order WeatherTech matting for this. Jansen's here, he's gonna pick up the car. Sorry, medyo madumi. Bagong gawa, but madumi. So yeah, I cracked the chin right here. So Jansen's going to do a service for us, and he's also going to check why our bank 2 is still ridged. Obviously the bank 2 is where we hit. If you guys haven't seen the accident video, please check it out. Posted on the channel. Oh my god. So even though I've had Jansen go out on the entrance, the car's just way too low. The front lip really just scraped out, and hope we didn't damage it again. Okay, bringing car up. Let's get out of here. car sounds like it's misfiring also. Not when it's on the gas, but when it's actually driving slow, it sounds like it's misfiring. So we're gonna ask Edward to change the spark plugs also of the 458. Lots of things to fix, old car problems, and this is the journey and ownership of having these older cars. Not everything works and you gotta maintain everything. We've arrived and it's packed. I just have to run to the bathroom real quick, but that is beautiful. Mercy is so beautiful. I think this is an LP. Gated. Oh my god. Look at that. It's a gated manual. That's a nice car to have. Always has clutch issues. Let's find out from Mac what's wrong. GT3 Touring, and we're up for alignment. They're saying that's just the top mount. We're gonna pick up some wheels for the 993. We breezed through really quickly. These are HRE wheels for the 993 C4S, and they painted them gold. So that's what we're gonna do to the 458 Max also. Love this spec, love this color. I don't like black wheels. I hate black wheels from now on, but love this color. Definitely one of the favorite colors that I've had for last year. Lots of green shades. The shop is full. I don't know where they're gonna stuff the cars, but it looks absolutely packed. The boss is here.
Boss.
I asked if this is for sale. Mac says he doubts it. Take a quick sneak peek. Look at that, gated manual. Yellow, I don't like the yellow interior, that's easily fixed, but the gated manual. Gorgeous. Why not? I've been contemplating on getting these lights for my garage in the farm. I'm not quite sure if I want them or not. What do you guys think? Should I upgrade the lights in the farm? I actually want soft diffuse lights. I don't want just hard LED lighting. If you have a LED lighting company and you can do soft diffusion, please hit me up. I'm super curious to get a quote for my farm garage so that when I film build videos in the farm garage, it looks better, because I use only one key lighting at the moment, and I don't know if that's gonna improve the lighting for the film quality, but I know I do need more basically light and light stands, because yeah, what's happening now is the up lighting is so harsh. I just damaged the rear diffuser. That's going to be part of the life. Okay, we're gonna leave the car and get out of here so that I can grab the GT40 and check on the Evo, because we're having problems still. That's our wheels. That's the GT3. Hopefully with the alignment they can sort it out. And that's the other GT3. And the Innova. Let's go to 72. Some of my viewers were saying that the Innova is like the Carrera van GT from DDE, and it's true. This is the workhorse, and this actually doesn't get as much publicity as it should, but this van is, or this Innova is super useful. 950, doing good time. Pit stop. Dropping off the mag. Thank you so much to Hazard Boy for fixing them and sorting them out. Okay, move this. Norman said he has fixed the downpipe, and then Rolly came by last week. Rolly was able to fix the gearbox, so let's see if everything works. Prime, gotta prime the pumps. The car is rough idling and doesn't want to stay on. We also could be out of gas. The fumes on this car is intense. It feels like the car is running super rich. Let's just push it back. There's some space. We haven't started this since last January pa. Patay. Naka-on ba? Lovely old cars, no problem. Set up a camera on the Innova. Okay, my maiden voyage in the 1963 split window C2 Corvette. That steering wheel is huge, and it's not a tilting steering wheel. So look at this. The old days, such a different experience. I don't even know where the keyhole is. Steering wheel is too big. Horn works. Very old school. I filled it up full tank, but our gas gauge is still waiting to hit the top. These are our air conditioning controls. This is the fan, and then this is air and the humidifier. Radio has been changed to a retro unit, so this is the volume knob, and then the station starter ignition barrel. This is the handbrake. The thermostat for the air conditioning is right here. We have a blower on each side and then one underneath. The steering wheel doesn't tilt at all, which means you have to get your knees to go around, and I find the throttle pedal a little sensitive. This is the headlight switch. I don't know how it works actually. Not bad at all. I can't wait to see the rolling shots that we got from the Insta360, but for now I'm probably going to end the vlog here. I hope we have enough content for one episode. I'll see you guys again in the next video. Peace.